Hello students, Namaskar. Today I am going to show you how to install Jupyter Notebook. As this software is very useful to execute Python codes. Whenever you type any code, it gives output just below the code, and you can compare the output and programming code very easily. So let us see how to install and how to execute Python program on Jupyter Notebook. So first of all, you have to start window and type cmd or command prompt and open DOS prompt. I hope you have already Python in your computer. So just we have to install next ID, that is Jupyter Notebook. So installation for any module, any software in Python is similar, and it is executed using pip command. So we will write pip install Jupyter का स्पेलिंग JUPYTER, Jupyter Notebook, NOTEBOOK Notebook, and press enter. Internet should be connected, so it will download from internet as per your configuration of Python, because everybody is using different Python 3.7, 3.6, 3.4, so it will install as per this requirement. And after some time we will be ready to use this notebook. This notebook runs in browser, and I think it is done now. Okay, yes, now command prompt has come, means that installation has been done. Now just close this command prompt and again go to run window and write Jupyter Notebook. It has come. You can just click on this and it will run now. It will open in your default browser. In my case, in my computer, default browser is Google Chrome, so it will open in Google Chrome, and now it has opened. And how to open a new file? So you can see here in this place you have new button, just click on this and it will give you Python 3 new file. It is opening. Already it has opened. Now you can change this name by double clicking on this, right? Suppose we are working on series in Python Panda, so we'll write series in pandas. Just rename, click on rename. Now it has changed, and whatever you will do, it will be saved in this file and you can see anytime in future also. So first you will try whether Panda is working or Panda is installed in this computer. So same way you can write import pandas, import SPD and click on this run. So no error has come, means the Panda is working in this Jupyter notebook. So you have to just see 2 or 3 things. This run button is every time you have to click to run the code, and if you want to insert something you can insert, but that we'll see later on. Now we'll see how to work on this Jupyter notebook. So already we have started series. So how to create series we have seen. Here also we can write series S1 equal to pd dot series and series can be of anything, list, dictionary, tuples. So if you give list A, B, C, D, as it is character, so we have to give single quote. That's all. Now as I told, click on run command. It will give error. Why it is show? Because I think S will be capital. Yes. To see this output, you have to just write S1. Just write this and click on run. So now you can see the simple series. As I told, series has 2 things. First thing is index and second is your data. Up to this we have seen in last video. Series can be made of anything, so you can see this one. Now we will see how to make series with range function. So we are making series S2 equal to pd dot series range. Already you know it has three parts: start, stop and step. So it will start from 10, it will go up to 20 minus 1, and 2 means alternate number will be generated. So how to print this one? Just write S2 and click on run button. So it will give you series of range 10 to 20 as per your this range condition. Next, I have already one file. I am copying from there, so it will take less time to type. So now we'll see how to make series from dictionary. So just how to make series from dictionary. So we are writing dictionary d1 equal to dictionary, you know it has two things, key and value. Here Jan, Feb, March, April is key, and 31, 28, 31, 30 are values. Okay, so if you write d1, what it will give? It will give you dictionary. It is dictionary. How it to convert this dictionary into series? So just write S, suppose S3 is our series name, series object equal to pd dot series, S will be capital, in bracket you give the dictionary d1. Now it will be converted into series. So if you type S3 and click on run button, it will give you series where index is January, February, March, April, and data are 31, 28, 31, 30. Now I am going to create a series of integer, that is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So as per rule it will give index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want to change this index. This index I want to change as ABCD. Simple. So what we can do? We have to do nothing but we have to write here series has two parameter. First is data, second one is index. So you have to write indexes equal to A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E. It will give error, I think. Yes, because you have to keep this character in single quote. Now again I will check why I think it is not index, it is not indexes, it is index. So index only. Run small I. Yes. So if you do programming, sometime you have to face error also, and you have to complete that, or you have to remove that error. So in this way you can create series. Also I explained how to install this Jupyter notebook and how to run Python programs. So I will continue this series in next video, and we will finish it in next video. Till then we have to revise it. Now I am stopping. Thank you very much.